Good morning, Winkler Wolves. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
This is Mr. James from 7th grade. This message is for 7th grade students only. I have about 15 students that have not completed the Charleston, South Carolina rooming assignment Google form, and that is absolutely necessary for me to finish that work up and get you in a room that you feel comfortable with when we go to Charleston on our overnight field trip. This very moment, if your name is on the screen, I need you to go to your homeroom teacher, get a pass, and come to room 701, Mr. James's class, so we can get that done. Again, if your name was on the screen, go to your homeroom teacher, and I will see you in a few minutes so we can take care of this and have a smile on our face when we go to Charleston here in about 6 weeks. Everybody have a great day. See you later.
Have a good day, but if you can't, don't you dare go messing up nobody else's.